is given to a student who demonstrates strong interest and aptitude in science, math, or engineering. This year's recipient shows a keen, creative intellect and the ability to ask probing questions in the area of science research. The University of Rochester has a proud history of innovation, technological growth, and commitment to analytical thought and discovery. The university offers a scholarship in the range of $7,500 to $20,000 per year for each of 4 years to a successful applicant. I am most happy to name Dylan McClure for this year's Bosch and Lowell Science Award.